Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Faiz. I am from SPI 4A. Today I would like to explain about the Cirebon Max Museum. One of the cultural heritage place in Cirebon that preserves traditional Max and the history of Cirebon Max dance. Check it out. Cirebon Max Museum. The Cirebon Max Museum is one of the famous cultural places in Cirebon City, West Java. This museum keeps many collections of traditional Cirebon Max that have high artistic and historical value. Historical importance. The Max are usually used in Cirebon Max dance performance that have existed since ancient times. The museum is an important place to preserve local culture so that it can still be known by young generation. Cultural preservation. Through its collection, visitor can understand how the tradition of Cirebon have developed of time. The museum also helps introduce local culture to people from different regions and countries. As a result, it plays an important role in promoting cultural awareness and appreciation. Types of Max. Inside the museum, visitor can see many kinds of men with different shapes, colors, and characters. Each Max has its own meaning, such as the Banji character that symbolizes gentleness and the Samba character that represents control. Meaning of the Max. There is also the Kelana Max, which describes erudition and strong emotions. This unique characteristic make the museum interesting to learn about every Max, their story, and reflects 10 values in Cirebon society. Educational function. By studying the Max, visitor can gain a deeper understanding of traditional art and local vision. The Cirebon Max Museum is not only a place to store all objects, but also a center for cultural education. Many students and tourists came to learn about the history of Max and the life of Cirebon people in the past. Activities in the museum. Visitor can also learn about the traditional process of making Max by local craftsmen. Educational activities often held to help visitors understand the significance of preserving cultural heritage. The museum building has a comfortable atmosphere with traditional decoration. On some occasion, the museum also holds live Max and the performance, so visitors can directly see how the Max are used in original Cirebon dance. Conclusion. These activities make cultural tourism more enjoyable. In investing the performance, allow visitors to experience the beauty of Cirebon culture in a more interactive way. The Cirebon Max Museum has an important role in preserving Indonesian cultural heritage. With the existence of the museum, people can appraise traditional art and regional history more deeply. Therefore, its museum is worth visiting is a place for learning and cultural recreation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Cirebon Max Museum and its cultural heritage. See you in the next video. Bye.